If you want to keep your accounts accurate, understanding how to reconcile prepayments and overpayments in Xero is very important. In this beginner-friendly guide, you will learn how to handle both step by step, even if you have zero experience. This helps you correctly match payments and avoid errors in your financial records. To get started, log into your Xero account and go to the Accounting or Business menu. Then, open the Bank Account section and select the account you want to reconcile. Click on Reconcile to view your bank transactions. First, let's understand prepayments. A prepayment happens when you pay a supplier in advance before receiving a bill. To record this, click on Add Details or Create, then choose Prepayment. Enter the supplier name, amount, and date. Save the transaction. Once the supplier sends the actual bill later, go to Bills to Pay, open the bill, and apply the prepayment. Xero will match the previously recorded amount with the bill, reducing the outstanding balance. Now, for overpayments. An overpayment occurs when you pay more than the invoice amount. During reconciliation, if the payment amount is higher than the invoice, Xero will give you an option to record it as an overpayment. Select that option and save it. To allocate the overpayment later, go to the customer or supplier account, find the overpayment transaction, and apply it to another invoice. This ensures the extra amount is properly used. Make sure to regularly review your prepayments and overpayments to keep your accounts clean. Proper reconciliation ensures your financial data remains accurate and up to date. You can also view reports related to these transactions to monitor outstanding balances and allocations. In short, reconciling prepayments and overpayments in Xero involves recording advance or extra payments, matching them with invoices, and allocating them correctly. Now that you understand the process, start managing these transactions in Xero and maintain accurate financial records. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.